Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a tutorial which is a bit different to normal about how to save your Xbox clips to your photos on your Apple device from your Xbox. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to your App Store on your Apple device. It might work on Samsung, I'm not sure. Give it a go. It might work. Wait for this to load. Okay. Once you're on App Store, you're going to go into search. And you're going to type in My Media. Okay. You're going to go onto that. You're going to search in My Media. And the first thing that's going to pop up is My Media File Manager. This is the one you want to get. So install this. I already have it installed. And once it's installed, you can pause the video to install it. So when you've gone on this, you're going to press open and you're going to go into My Media. So, I think, okay, yeah, all these things are going to be on the bottom here. But you're going to be on the browser, so the top right, it should say Google. You're going to click on that. And you're going to search in, okay, Xbox clips.com right here, top right. And you're going to search that in. The first thing that's going to pop up, it'll say Xbox Clips, HTTPS, xboxclips.com. You're going to go on this. And okay, you're going to see, this is what comes up. Oh, continue to start. You'll see all these, but you see at the top right it says gamer tag right here. You're going to hop on that and you're going to search in your name. Okay, Energize Elliot, which is my name. So when it loads in, these are all my Xbox clips that I've been saving off my Xbox, and once they load in, let me just click on one. This is a long time. Okay, yep, this is taking a while. We'll be back when it starts loading in. We are back and they have loaded in. This should take around 30 seconds. 30 seconds to 60 seconds for this all load in. So once you're on it, this is me with my stretch resolution here. We're going to go on here. We're going to click this one, I guess. What you're going to do is, well, I'll pick a different one. Oh my gosh, okay, we're going to have to wait. Just to prove that it does take about that long, we'll just wait. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. I'm sorry about that, guys. My recording just stopped working. We're going to see here if we tap play. I just have dreadful internet, so it just doesn't work. But we'll see that the clip will be here. But what we're going to do, okay, is going to go down. You're going to see it says video. By download video, we're going to click on that, tap on that. And it says download the file. That's what you're going to want to click. And you're going to save as. I'm going to do jump shot head. Oh, there goes shot. No scope. Okay, I'm going to save that. And just watch it quickly while that's downloading. Some quality content right here. Okay, wait for this. Yeah, I'm not sure why it stopped recording for a second. Sorry about that. This should be coming on any minute now. Why is my internet so bad that it doesn't work? Okay, here it is, I think. Someone comes, then I jump off. And just headshot them like that. That's the clip that I want to record. So you see at the bottom, it says media. We're going to click on that. It's still downloading. You have to wait for it to download. Like you saw, is it here? There we go, here. Oh, there we go. It's just finished now. Now we're going to go back onto media and see jump shot, headshot, no scope. And it'll say MP4. We're going to tap on that. I'm going to click save to camera roll, okay? Save to camera roll. Yeah, we're going to let it access our photos. If you don't, it will not work. Okay, now that is just saved. Okay. We're going to go onto our photos now. And you will see okay. Oh yeah, here we go. It usually takes quite a while. I'll be back when it's ready. Okay guys, sometimes it will not pop up, sometimes you might have to do it twice, so I'm gonna do it again now. Save to camera roll. Okay, let's hope that it has gone on to camera roll now. Is anything downloading? Nope. Okay. The question is it on the camera roll? Yes, it is. I recorded it twice. Okay, I'm silly. I clicked record twice. It was there the whole time. Don't make fun of me. Okay. You see there, it might glitch like it did for me. Said it was Thursday to Saturday, but it does work. It does go onto your camera roll. It is there. So you see now this is iPad camera roll. I'll just have it in there. So yeah, I'm going to delete one of them because I don't need to, do I? So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial how to transfer your export clips over to your photos. If you want to see more of these types of videos, let's reach a goal of 5 likes for this video and I will do another tutorial about the iPad. Maybe next time I will show you either how to download YouTube clips or how to record your screen on your iPad. So I hope you've all enjoyed. Oh my gosh. I hope you've all enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Bye.